currently the 2nd of March, and if you can see, it is snowing absolutely everywhere here. So this is Storm, the door. This is Storm Emma. Like all week there's been warning signs about like the beast from the east, this massive storm that was incoming, and it was predicted to give all this snow, and it absolutely has. So it's like supposed to come yesterday, but it came today instead. So this place is absolutely incredible. I haven't seen the farm in snow since 2010, so 8 years ago. We haven't got snow like this. So we're gonna build some snowmen, look after the animals, and see what happens. So the fact that it's also the start of March, start of spring, means that there is calves being born as well. So, hey mama, this is the first calf. Easy, go easy. She won't let me, there it is. She's one of the first calves that were born last. You can see mothers are very, very protective, so I will not be going in there. But that is one of the first calves that was born on the farm. Right now we are setting up cameras for calving cows, so we're trying to connect up Wi-Fi in the shed, and it's just class. It's amazing. Look at all the white back here. I mean, it's just so weird to see everything covered in snow. I mean, look, it's incredible. Jesus Christ. Mind the camera. Oh, for fuck's sake, let's stop. So day 2 of Storm Emma. Place is still covered in snow. Shops, everything is closed. I think they are starting to reopen today. The gym is still closed today. Just give you a look out. Jesus, so bright. It is beginning to thaw a little bit, but there was some fresh snow last night. So right now I'm doing some college work, hence these are blue light blockers. I often wear them when I'm like studying or looking at a screen, because it helps block out the blue light, which will actually kind of, well, like, if you don't wear them and you're looking at a screen a lot, then it may affect your sleep, because if you're looking at a lot of screens, you get a lot of blue light, your body will think that it's still daytime. So even though it's not past 6 o'clock, which I usually wear them, I just throw them on anyway. I just feel like it protects my eyes a little bit. I'm going to do some college work now, and then I have to do a little bit of country munch work. And then I'm going to try and get out later and meet up with the lads, and we'll try and do some like tobogganing, or tying a rope onto the back of a car and tying a sled onto that, and just do something fun anyway, because you know, it's probably once every 6-7 years we get to do this, so it's best to make the most of it while we can. So when we do that, I will catch up with you. I didn't see him at all. No, oh yeah, I got it on camera, yeah. How the day finished up. It was actually absolutely incredible. It was such good crack. We went to like, okay, so like disclaimer, we're from like the middle of the countryside. Like you wouldn't do that if you were like in a city or on busy city roads. We live in the back arse of nowhere. There was no cars on the roads. The thing that we have done before, and you know, when you're from a farm, when you're from that kind of environment, you're used to just kind of acting a maggot anyway. It literally feels like second Christmas. I mean, all we did was kind of get up, we went outside, we kind of played in the snow, came in, I cooked a huge dinner. Then we kind of just sat around, watched movies and just spent time together for like 3 days because we were snowed in. And it literally feels like Christmas all over again. That would conclude the vlog. Thank you for watching. I should have a few more videos up as the weeks go on. I'm just in a very busy time of the year now. I have college exams pressing in about 2 months, 3 months maybe. So like realistically, until they're out of the way, I'm not going to be active on here. But hopefully as soon as they're out of the way, we will have weekly scheduled cooking recipes where I'll be in front of a cooker. I'll be giving some more beneficial content as opposed to these just kind of like daily vlogs. These are just for entertainment purposes and kind of for me to look back on years to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe, and as always, keep on cooking. Ciao, ciao.